I'm Anil Kumar, and in my series to prepare for competitive exams, here is a very good question on numbers. How many different lists A, B, C, and D of distinct odd positive integers with A less than B less than C less than D, that means increasing order, have the property that sum of A, B, C, and D is 24. So that's the question for you, right? So read the question properly, pause the video, try to answer, and then look into my suggestions. Now, in such questions, it is a good idea to list the values. The question also says, how many different lists, right? So we have to give number of lists. So why not list them out? So that is a good idea. The question is also suggesting you a method. So at times, solution is within the problem, correct? So that is what I want to draw your attention to. So we are looking for values of A, B, C, and D so that we get their sum as 24. So they add up to 24. This is what we are looking for. And we want them in increasing order. A, B, C, and D are odd positive integers, correct? I hope the strategy is clear to you. Now you can pause the video and answer the question, right? Okay, so let's look forward for this list. So odd positive integers, increasing order. So it's a good idea to start with the lowest number, which is A, right? So this A is 1. Now next integer which is higher than 1 is 3. So we can put it here, 1, 3. Now 1 plus 3 is 4. C plus D should be 20, right? So next is 5. So out of 20 we have taken away 5, we are left with 15. So that becomes first item in our list. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 15 will give you 24. For the next, we'll again keep 1 for A, 3 for B, and C instead of 5, let me increase it by 2. So I decrease D by 2. And that will sum to 24. 4 plus 20. Is that okay? Then what we can do is, we can increase again 7 to 9. Now 9 plus what is 20? That is what we are looking for, right? Or increase this by 2, decrease that by 2. Okay, so that gives me 11. Now look here. Next time, if I increase 9 to 11, I will have to write 9 on this side. That is not permitted since they are in increasing order, correct? So we have already exhausted the list with 1, 3. So let's now start with 1 and next take 5. Okay, so 1 and 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Next number here should be what? Well, let's try 7, right? 6 plus 7 is 13. And so 13, we need 24. And that is 11, right? So that is our next number, 11. And now what we can do is, we can decrease this number by 2, right? And increase this number by 2 and decrease that by 2. So in that case, both will become 9. And then the list will not work, correct? So that is it. Well, what we can now try is start with 3. Okay, so if I write 3 here, then the next number here is 5. And 3 plus 5 is 8. 8. And now we need 16 here. Next number is 7. And then 9. That gives us 16. So we get 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now we cannot really go forward with the condition that they are in increasing order. A, B, C, D are in increasing order. So that gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many different lists can we do? We can make 5 lists. And these are the 5 lists which we can make. So that is how we can do this question, right? I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope this strategy helps you to solve similar questions. Thank you, and all the best.